Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to fix an Xbox original CD drive that will not open. A lot of times on these older Xboxes, the belt on the CD drive that opens up the bay will dry out and they do not work as efficiently, therefore causing the CD drive not to open. Those of you that have an Xbox original and the CD drive will not open up, a little trick I found is to, after you push the eject button, to tap the top of the Xbox, and a lot of times the CD drive will open on up. Here shortly I'll let it play in fast motion. As you're taking it apart, there are two screws under the tags on the bottom that are hidden that you have to take out to be able to remove the top. There are 6 screws total on the bottom side of this Xbox. Then when you're on the inside, there's 2 more screws that hold the CD drive in place, and once you take those 2 screws out, the CD drive should be able to snap out. I will be showing you 2 different methods that I have heard worked. The first one, I'm going to take the Xbox apart to get to the CD drive, and I will take the belt out and clean it with a rubbing alcohol, and I will clean the pulleys also to make sure there's no oil on the belt or the pulleys. And then the second way, I'm actually just going to replace the belt, but I'm going to show you an easier way how to do it rather than taking your Xbox apart. So here, I plugged the CD drive back in to get an idea of what's wrong with it. As you can see, when I hit the eject button, it doesn't even have enough tension on that belt to open the CD drive. Alright, so now that I cleaned the belt and the pulleys with the rubbing alcohol, it does have more traction and the CD drive is now opening on its own. Now that I have the Xbox put back together, the CD drive seems to be functioning a little better, but it is still failing to open sometimes. So now I will show you how to replace the belt on the CD drive without taking your Xbox completely apart. I just so happened to have an extra CD drive laying around that I was able to rob the belt off of and use it on my Xbox original here. So honestly, my suggestion is just replace the belt. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video.